Hi everyone, today in front of me I have the Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2021 device, and in this video I would like to show a top 5 tips for it. So let's go ahead and start. The first tip is that you can set up your facial data, your face, as the unlock method for this device. So in order to do so, just go to the settings, look for the biometrics and security section, tap on it. Here, just look for the face recognition, press on continue. The system will ask you to set up the backup unlock methods. You have an option to choose from pattern, PIN or password. I'll go with pattern, set up the pattern, like this one. And after that, you will be able to set up your face, to scan your face and set it up as an unlock method. I'll do it off screen real quick. So my face has been successfully registered. That was that quick. It's a very swift procedure. Just press on done. And let me show how the tablet will be unlocked with my face. So you enter the black screen. Just look at this lock on the top. So the device has been successfully unlocked. I'll show you one more time. Alright, so everything was successful, and we are moving on to the next tip, which is the cool edge panel feature. So in order to enable it, just go to the settings, look for the display section, and here scroll down a little bit until you stumble upon the edge panels setting, turn it on, and as you will see, there is this little gray bar appeared on top of your screen, which by dragging and swiping left you'll actually open this edge panel. Here you can manage it by tapping on these three lines, choosing the edit option, and like deleting some apps, replacing it with other apps. Here you have some settings that you can customize, for example, how this edge panel will behave itself while the tablet is in a split screen view. And here you can enable whether the app should show the recent apps or not. The panel should show the recent app or not. And as you can see, the apps that are shown have been successfully replaced with other apps. So that was it for the edge panel. We are moving on to the next tip, which is related to the home screen of your device. In order to access it, you can just call up for the additional home screen menu, go to the settings, and here you can choose the home screen grid, for example. Now it's 6 to 5. I'll go ahead and set it up to 5 to 5. As you can see, the grid has been changed. Or you can also change the app screen grid, which basically the full list of apps you have saved on your device, which is being called out by swiftly swiping to the top. And here you can change the layout of this menu as well, of this grid as well. So that was it for this tip. We're moving on to the next one, which is the navigation type that you can change on this device. So in order to access this setting, just open up the settings menu, go to the display again, and here you gotta scroll down until you'll find the navigation bar setting. So the tablet allows us to choose between two navigation types, buttons and gestures. So gestures, you navigate your phone just like that. To get back to the previous page, you swipe right. And in order to have access to recent menu, just slowly drag this little bar on the bottom upward. And there is also this buttons navigation type. As you can see, these little digital buttons have appeared on the bottom of your screen. You can change their order or the position, just like that. And the final tip that I would like to show in today's video is how you can add the widgets, and that there are widgets for the home screen on this device. In order to do that, just open up the additional home screen menu, go for widgets, and here you have all kinds of categories which contain different designs of widgets. So for example, let me look for the weather widget. And here you have plenty of designs to choose from. I'll just go with the first one. In order to add it to your screen, just tap, hold, and choose the place where you want this widget to be. I'll place it here. After that, the device will ask you to pick up the location the location of the weather you would like to be displayed on this widget, and After that, you can get back to this menu, choose any other widget. For example, I'll go for Chrome and Chrome search bar and put it right here. You can alter its size really easily. Just like that, I'll shrink it a little bit. Or actually, yeah, that's the least it can get. In the case of this particular bar, you can only increase it. In case of this weather widget, I'll just move it to another home screen. This one, for example. And I will also increase it just a little bit. Just like that. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.